Stop before you sign up on BTCC. There is one small detail that decides whether you pay full trading fees forever or get 15% cashback automatically. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create a BTCC account the right way. Most people think signing up on an exchange is easy, but one tiny mistake during registration can quietly cost you bonuses, fee discounts, and even access to important features later. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete BTCC sign-up and KYC process step by step, show you how to unlock 15% fee cashback using the referral code Cashback15, and explain the welcome bonus clearly so you know exactly what to expect before you deposit a single dollar. Why BTCC is worth registering for. BTCC is built for traders who want fast execution and access to both spot and futures markets. It's especially popular among futures traders who care about efficiency and fees. When you register correctly from the beginning, you unlock full platform access, long-term fee savings, and promotional benefits that many users miss simply because they rush the sign-up. Step 1. Create your BTCC account. To begin, click the official BTCC registration link in the description. Choose whether to sign up with your email address or mobile number, then create a strong password. After submitting your details, you'll receive a verification code by email or SMS. Enter that code to activate your account. This step only takes a minute, but doing it correctly matters. Step 2. Enter referral code Cashback15 during registration. Make sure the referral code field shows Cashback15. This is the most important step in the entire process. By using this code, you unlock 15% cashback on your trading fees for both futures and spot trading. This cashback is applied automatically when you trade. If you skip this step, you may not be able to add the code later, and you permanently lose this benefit. Step 3. Complete KYC verification. After creating your account, you'll be asked to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This usually involves submitting a government-issued ID and completing a facial verification. KYC is required to unlock higher withdrawal limits and full trading functionality. The process is straightforward and helps protect both your account and your funds. Step 4. Secure your account properly. Once KYC is completed, take a moment to secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication and confirm your email and phone number if required. These steps dramatically reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Skipping security setup is one of the most common and costly mistakes new users make. Step 5. Fund your account. After your account is verified and secured, you can deposit funds. Depending on your region, you may be able to deposit cryptocurrency or use available fiat options. Once your balance is credited, you're ready to start trading on BTCC. Welcome bonus. Set real expectations. BTCC often runs welcome bonus campaigns for new users, such as deposit rewards or trading coupons. Some promotions advertise bonuses worth several thousand USD. However, the exact bonus amount depends on the current campaign in your region, and these offers can change at any time. What does not change is the 15% fee cashback you unlock by using the referral code Cashback15, which is why this benefit is the most reliable and valuable. Why 15% fee cashback matters. Trading fees are a silent profit killer. Every trade slightly reduces your balance, and over time those small costs add up. By getting 15% cashback on futures and spot fees, you improve your long-term results instantly without changing your strategy. This is one of the simplest and smartest ways to trade more efficiently. Important warnings before you trade. Crypto trading, especially futures trading, involves real risk. Leverage can amplify losses just as quickly as profits. Always start with small amounts, manage your risk carefully, and never trade money you cannot afford to lose. Bonuses and cashback are advantages, not guarantees of profit. Referral benefits, welcome bonuses, and promotional campaigns on BTCC are not permanent. They can change, expire, or be removed without notice. If you already plan to trade on BTCC, registering now allows you to lock in the 15% fee cashback before conditions change. If you want to set up your BTCC account correctly and save money on every single trade, click the registration link in the description. Create your account. and enter the referral code Cashback15 to get 15% cashback on futures and spot trading. The link and the code are right below this video. If this step-by-step BTCC sign-up tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Trade smart, protect your account, and I'll see you in the next video.